Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, my dear students. In this class, let us continue 8th standard science syllabus, children. Which part I am going to take, children? Yes, physics. Under physics, in your science textbook, you have 18 chapters, children. Out of these 18 chapters, you have 6 physics chapters. Physics lessons are 7th chapter is there, in your textbook. That is force and pressure, friction. 9th chapter, sound. I already mentioned that out of 18 chapters, there are so many biology chapters, chemistry chapters and physics chapters, children. Up to sound you have for first semester. For second semester, you have some natural phenomenon, physics lesson, light, physics, stars and solar system. These are the physics chapters you are going to learn in 8th standard, children. Children, in last video, I have given homework for you, isn't it? Yes, that is list some scientist name. Have you listened, children? Yes. Some scientist means Galileo Galilei, Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein. These are of the scientist. Write down the homework and send to my number, children. If you have any doubt, you please contact me only under physics. Okay. That is first chapter is force and pressure. Where is that? In page number 77. In class 7th, you already learnt how objects move. Tell me, children, how the objects move from one place to another place? Yes, it is by only external force. See here, children, this is your textbook. If we want to close this textbook, we need to apply some force. We have to use some energy also. So, to move this object, to move this textbook from ear to ear like this, what we do? We have to make this object to move by external thing only. Which is the external thing we use, children? See here, this textbook, initially this textbook is in this position. After moving it through our hand like this, it travels some distance. Afterwards, what happens? Its position changes to, and also it moves from one place to another place. This is only by applying some force. See, to move this text from here to here, I am what? I am pushing this. See, like that, pushing the book. This pushing is an external force applied by me to this textbook. Then only it moves. Bike also. Move from one village to another village, we have to apply force on the bicycle. Okay. While opening the door of our house, in that situation also we have to apply some force. So, pushing. To take some objects which were kept inside the cupboard means we need to pull. We need to pull the door of the cupboard. Push, pull. Both are the actions we use to move the objects with respect to its position. Sometimes we pull objects like this, sometimes we pull the objects. See, while moving, while bringing a cow from farm to house, we need to pull the cow, pulling. Okay, that is what pulling. These are the two external forces we apply to what? To move the, make the things, objects to move. See here, in figure A, somebody is catching the ball, a goalkeeper saving a goal. In the second figure, a hockey player flicking a ball, and in third figure, a fielder stopping a ball. See here, to stop the ball, to catch the ball, to move the ball, to place the ball at a constant position, we need to apply some force. Force means, then what is force? Force means, force is a push or pull. Now you already understood the meaning of push and pull. Sometimes we pushes the object, sometimes we pull the objects. Actions like, see here children, actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, shutting the door, kicking the ball, hitting, lifting, flicking, pushing, pulling are often used to describe certain tasks. Each of these actions are usually results in some kind of change in the state of motion. Motion means change of position of an object. Can these terms be replaced with one more term? Yes. All these terms, picking, opening, shutting, kicking, all these terms are replaced by only one term, that is what? Push or pull. See here children, to understand the meaning of force, they are given an activity in your textbook, that is activity 7.1. Table 7.1 gives some examples of familiar situation involving motion of the objects. Motion means changing the position from rest to the motion or motion to the rest. You can add more situations or replace those given here. Try to identify actions involved in each cases, a push or pull. In which situation, which word comes like that, pushing or pulling. In first example, see here children, in first example, moving a book placed on a table. Now already this activity, isn't it? In this video only we done that activity. First of all, see, actions are given in third column. Actions, what are the actions made by a person to move the objects? Pushing, pulling, picking, hitting, lifting, lowering, flying, kicking, throwing, shutting, flicking. Action can group as a, all this action we can group it as a push or pull. First one, moving a book placed on a table. Yes, we may move the book by pushing or pulling or lifting. These are the actions we do while what? Moving a book on a table. Yes, it is a push as well as pull. Similarly, you have to fill all these columns children. See, opening or shutting a door. While opening the door of your house, what do you do? If you are outside the house, you are going to push the door. If you are inside the house, you are going to pull the door to open the door. Or while shutting, while opening, we used to push. While closing, we do the action pulling. We won't lifting never comes here. We won't lift the door in our house. Okay, these are the actions. So we use both. In this second activity, we use both push and pull. Yes, you have to write like this. Yes, here while opening the door, we push the door and also we pull the door. Drawing a bucket of water from a well. Tell me children, what are the actions we do while drawing a bucket of water from the well? Well is the one of the source of water. It is used to what? Take some water from well. We use it as a thread. It is rolled over a roll. Okay. So what are the actions? Pushing, pulling, lifting, isn't it? Yes, these are the actions we do. Write those actions here, and in this case also, see, while throwing the bucket inside the well, we push. After, to remove a bucket of water from the well, to take bucket of water from the well, we need to pull. Here also push, pull. Similarly, fill these 4 columns children. A football player taking a plenty. In that situation, what happens? A cricket ball hit by a batsman. How he hits? Hitting the ball. Throws. Sometimes he throws the ball like that. This is an activity. Do you notice that each of the action can be grouped as a push or pull, both? Can we infer from this that to move an object, it has to be pushed or pulled? So what we have to do children? To make the object move, we have done, in all this situation we done 2 actions, that is pushing the object, pulling the object. So force means it is either pushing or pulling the object. In science, particularly in physics, a push or pull of an object is called a force. What is force children? Push or pull of an object is called a force. Throwing is also pushing, like that. So what is force? Force is a push or pull on an object is called a force. Okay children, today you have to complete this activity up to 3. I have solved up to 3 activities. From 4th you have to solve this activity. This is the homework for you, and try to recall the definition of force children. Force means a push or pull of an object is known as force. Let us continue in next video. Thank you.